Start by sliding the strain relief boot onto the cable. Use the wire stripper to strip off the cable jacket. Simply pop the jacket and carefully strip it off, being mindful not to damage the inner wires. There we go. Twist the drain wire around the cable jacket to make a grounding. This step is essential for shielded cable installation. Straighten the wires. Here we use the cable jacket. This ensures a neat arrangement for a smooth and effective installation. T568A or T568B is okay for network installation, and here we use the T568B wiring diagram. Use the flush cut plier to cut excess wires. Insert the wires into the load bar. Move the staggered load bar up and down for seamless cable insertion. Assemble the RJ45 connector. Before crimping, double-check if the wires are in the correct order. Unlock the crimping tool. Twist the wires. Insert the RJ45 plug into the cavity. Crimp the RJ45 connector. Press the ground collar before crimping it. Crimp the ground collar to fix it on the cable. Slide the strain relief boot onto the cable and connector. And there you have it. Your crimping process is now complete.